India gets its new CJI. Justice Sanjeev Khanna takes oath as 51st Chief Justice of India. But the big question is, who is Justice Sanjeev Khanna? What are Justice Sanjeev Khanna's landmark judgments? Justice Sanjeev Khanna has been sworn in as the 51st Chief Justice of India in a ceremony presided over by President Draupadi Murmu at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Justice Khanna will succeed Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, and his term will last until 13 May 2025. Justice Khanna has been part of several landmark Supreme Court judgments such as scrapping the electoral bonds scheme and upholding abrogation of Article 370. Justice Sanjeev Khanna, the second most senior judge of the Supreme Court, was proposed for the role of Chief Justice by the outgoing CJI D.Y. Chandrachud, who retired on 10 November after serving since 9 November 2022. But who is Justice Sanjeev Khanna, the new Chief Justice of India? Justice Sanjeev Khanna, born on 14 May 1960, is the nephew of former Apex Court Judge Justice H.R. Khanna, who was part of the landmark verdict propounding the basic structure doctrine in the Kesvananda Bharati case of 1973. Justice Khanna embarked on his legal journey in 1983 as an advocate with the prestigious Delhi Bar Council. He has extensive experience in constitutional law, taxation, arbitration, commercial law, and environmental law. Justice Khanna also served as the senior standing counsel for the Income Tax Department. In 2004, he was appointed Standing Counsel Civil for the National Capital Territory of Delhi. His judicial journey advanced in 2005 when he was appointed an additional judge of the Delhi High Court. And by 2006 he became a permanent judge, marking a significant moment in his impressive legal career. During his tenure, Justice Khanna also made significant contributions to the Delhi Judicial Academy, Delhi International Arbitration Centre, and District Court Mediation Centres, playing a key role in shaping the judicial landscape. On 18 January 2019 he ascended to the position of Judge of the Supreme Court, achieving this milestone without having served as Chief Justice of a High Court. Justice Khanna has made many landmark judgments including granting interim bail to former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. This decision enabled Kejriwal to campaign during the Lok Sabha elections. In another important ruling, Justice Khanna emphasized that delays in proceedings could serve as a valid ground for granting bail under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. This decision came in a case involving Delhi's former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. According to reports, Justice Sanjeev Khanna has prioritized tackling judicial pendency and prefers to stay away from the limelight, even as he believes that judges have to live with the reality that they are currently in an era of social media.